Welcome back to some more Let's Play. Today, we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button.com. Yeah, it's fun. But yeah, it's a new game to my channel. Sorry, it's been a really long time until I make a video, but I'm here. I had to go to some meetings, stuff like that, yeah. Wow. Okay, let's go. First one. Will you press the button? You live in the world of your favorite books, movies, TV shows, but once it ends, you cease to exist. I will not do that. Oh, that was good. That's good. Okay, next one. Will you press the button? If you die, you can come back easily, but you have much higher chance of death. I won't really do it because you die, but then it'll be easily to make yourself die. Yeah. So, nah. Well, that's... Would you become the U.S. president? Anywhere you fight will turn into Call of Duty. Ooh! I'm doing it. Not? No, but I like it. One, you have the ability to time travel. That'd be awesome. But you'll lose both of your legs. That's not bad. I will. That's not bad. You can just sit in a wheelchair. It won't be bad. It's not really bad of being in. So that's good. What you can play Giller better than anyone, better than Jimmy Page, nothing else. But you always have your girl strapped to your body. They're both horrible. Doing it. Doing it. Okay. Will you press the button? I will get each iPhone for free one day. I can't even read today. On the day of its release. But the screen is pressed and you can't fix it. Well, I'll do it. Well, I'll explain why I can do it. Cause get each iPhone, new iPhone for free. So you gotta get every iPhone. So each one starts to crack and you can't fix it. So then you have another one. Yeah, I'm doing it. Awesome. Will you press the button? You will get all the money in the whole world. But it's on pennies. So that means I have 100 pennies plus 100. That'll be awesome, man. Good. Will you press the button? You can experience the feeling of an astronaut whenever you want, but you can't have SEX. You can't have that right there. You can't have that right there. So that means I will press the button over here or over here. I will go with... I will not do that. That's horrible. You can't have SEX. That'd be awful. Will you press the one? Half-Life 3 and release and Square keep being mad, but Relentless stop protection on all the other games. Wow. Only person, you can create any game you want, however you want, but you can't play it. Well, if you can sell those games, and by selling those games, you can get rich. So you don't have to play your own game. Yeah, I'll do it, boy. Well, you better find an invisible roof for the Gen 9 to 11, but you'll be released or tell anyone you'll get a sentence in 5 minutes later. I will not. You have a fully fraction invisibility cloak, but the internet doesn't exist. No, what? Of course not. Internet's my life. I'm gonna die without internet. So yeah. Okay, have a fully invisible cloak, but the internet doesn't even exist. Okay, guys. I'm really changing up into whatever you want, but you have to stay for the. Oh. Okay, guys. That's my sister and I had to get in a meeting. Please leave a like down below and a stricken below. If you did, please leave a like. So to join Let's Play Team. So yeah, please leave a like down below. Good.